This product comes with a booklet and a DVD. DVD as in the software now shipped online. It is written to inspire students and teachers alike to build their own simulations natively on their own and from scratch. So fluid flow simulation booklet starts with identifying the mathematical model of a fluid flow, which is essentially a wave equation, and its three variants: laminar, steady flow and vortex flow. The wave equation, when solved, can plot a complex potential field f of z, and each point in that field is a particle, for instance, and that particle is modeled having a velocity component along x and along y. So these points are the particles. C++ is used as the language, coding language for the booklet, and how to define a point 2D structure for a fluid flow and a class for a particle has been explained. The screen coordinate system is reverse of that of mathematical coordinate system. Its y-axis is in opposite direction, and also the dimensions are different, the pixel dimensions and mathematical dimensions. So their mapping is achieved using interpolation, and it has been explained with how to achieve that interpolation. There is a function given. You can use that code. Then translating the fluid flow in the software code. For that, an abstract base class for the fluid flow solver is used, and users can derive their own classes, and we have shown how to use these three derived classes for three types of flows. Every fluid flow solver must have 5 functions: one for computing the velocity field, one for rendering the experiment setup, the visual, then for displaying the streamlines of the field, then the distribution of particles, and rendering velocity field with respect to time and space. So with this, the booklet proceeds and identifies polar coordinates, how to use the solvers and solve the positions and velocities of the particles, and then it goes ahead and solves all the three classes, implements all the three classes. Users can use this code from the booklet as it is, and it is given in a separate zip file along with the source code and compiler project. So the double buffering system for smooth graphics, especially if you are implementing it on DOS or Windows or Unix natively, then you will find this useful, because it is the most advanced and very sophisticated technique commonly used now in the games and applications. Double buffering, it has been explained, and the code is also given. Then all the fluid flows, how they render on the screen, those all the examples are explained in the booklet. And towards the end, one assignment is given for implementing line source along with its complex field potential solved. The differential equation is solved for that with all the explanation, and a hint is also given how to implement the code. Users are expected to implement it themselves. And the second assignment for the readers is given and is left open is for the sink. When the fluid is consumed by the sink or goes into a basin, then how that fluid flow will look like. The references are there, and the user testimonials, user feedback. So all in all, fluid flow simulation makes it for a very good and handy booklet along with a source code, and is a very perfect tool for anybody who's interested in translating mathematical ideas into code. With that, this is the software given, distributed along with the booklet. It has installation guide. You can go through step by step and install the product, and all the 6 fluid flows are given in the implemented form. You can run the laminar flow by clicking, steady flow around a cylinder, then linear source flow field, which is the assignment 1, and then fluid flow sink, which is the assignment 2, and vortex flow around a cylinder, and along with the streamlines, with and without streamlines. And then C++ code, example code, complete workspace has been given to you. So with this, users also get access to the online laboratory, and that laboratory is implemented using JavaScript. Users get the access to it. When you buy, you get an access like this. You can log into the laboratory and start using. I'm showing a laminar flow now. Users can pause the flow, then resume the flow. Then the solution of the differential equation in the form of a script, JavaScript code has been given here. The constructor that initializes the world coordinates and then compute velocity field, how to compute the velocity field and how to update the particles on the screen. You can also choose the number of particles, etc. Let me change another fluid flow. This was laminar. I'm going to take now steady flow around the cylinder. So you can see steady flow around the cylinder. You can pause this also and resume also. Let us take one more type, vortex flow, and then you can see there is a vortex being formed along with the, as if it was a river bed and a vortex is formed. So you can pause and resume that. So in this way, all the simulations are available, and this makes it a very good tool for anybody who's interested in translating mathematical concepts into the software code. Thank you.